Material degradation is often seen as the end of a system. However, what if we harness degradation to trigger specific functions? Here, we are introducing Degrade to function towards eco-friendly morphing devices that function through programmed sequential degradation. For example, to restore aquatic habitats like rivergrass, we developed artificial reefs. This device helps seeds germinate by allowing them to float on the surface and photosynthesize. After a few days, the alginate-made constraints degrade and release the buoyancy device, allowing the grass to establish its roots. As the double constraints degrade, the artificial reef expands to provide potential shelter for small marine creatures. Here is another one. We have developed a pod-like device to support forest restoration. When the weather becomes warm and humid in the forest, mold spores grow on the agar mixture that holds the pod together. Over time, the agar mixture degrades, causing the pod to slowly open. Inside, there are incentives made of fat and sugars attached to the seeds, which attract small insects like ants. These insects help transport the seeds to their nests, where the seeds can germinate in a more nutrient-rich environment. How about urban areas? Another device was deployed to monitor and rehabilitate acidic soil in polluted areas. The magnesium constraint degrades rapidly in acidic soil, causing the constraint to fail to activate the transformation. As a result, calcium carbonate couriers are released. These couriers break down in the acidic environment, neutralizing the soil and releasing microbes that restore beneficial microflora. These devices are all developed under Degrade to function strategy. It is an approach that uses controlled and gradual material and structural degradation. It involves using natural materials such as wood, beeswax, calcium carbonate, and alginate. These materials are environmentally benign and do not introduce harmful substances as they degrade. Our approach involves two main components, the substrate and the responsive elements. The substrate is designed to be passively activated for functional transformations, such as auxiliary usage or energy storage. While the responsive components are designed to degrade in response to specific environmental conditions. As the responsive component degrades, it triggers a pre-designed transformation, enabling the device to perform various functions in different phases or in response to environmental triggers. Here are some more examples. This device is designed to address the challenges of restoring deserts. The constraint created by beeswax degrades under high temperatures during the day, releasing the pappus and preparing the seeds for wind dispersal. When coming into contact with a water source, the water-soluble paper constraint dissolves, allowing the pappus to detach from the achene. The alginate courier absorbs the water and releases nutrients to the seeds. The next device is designed to detect and monitor wildfires. When a fire occurs, the carnauba wax degrades rapidly due to high temperatures, causing the energy storage unit to release the flyer sensors. These flyers are carried by strong winds associated with wildfires to report the fire location and air quality in the area. Degrade to function. By leveraging these materials' inherent properties, he can design adaptable, self-reliant, and environmentally responsive devices.